Hi, my name is Wahid Al-Lutfi. I'm going to demonstrate how to do the script command in this video. Welcome to mywebuniversity.com, our free YouTube education videos. So in the series of free education videos, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to capture information on a Linux or Unix server or Unix workstation. Basically, you need to just go to a terminal and then start the command script. So I'm going to show you what is the script. If we type in what is a script, it just tells you that make a transcript of the terminal session. So I'm going to use this script command to capture all the work that I'm going to do here, and then we later on display it. So in order to do that, then I'm going to run the command script followed by a file name. The file name in this case could be any option, any name that I want to do it. If I just don't give any name, by default, it's going to use a script, a type script. This one is the name that is by default if you don't give it a name. So let's say I'm just going to do a calendar command, and then a hook command, and an ID command, and let's say pwd command. These commands, and if I just exit out here, now the type script output has the information. It is basically, you start with a script and you run your commands, then you type in exit to capture all the information. Now the type script that I started, the default one, has the output of my commands. So if I cat -n for line numbers to show me the line numbers, and I type in type script for the input file, in this case, so displaying the content of that output file that we just captured, you can see it started on line number 1, the script, and then on line 26, it ended. And then before that one, every command that I type in, cal, is written the command and then the output here. And then the hook command and then the output. So I captured, let's say I forgot to just add some more command to it. And the definition here, since I have the file name type script, I could just do that one. And if I just, and this time, add more to it, I could just say script again, -a for append, and then type in type script. And then now it's open for appending. So if I type in a command like who, and then who -r, calendar 2022, then the output is written, and I exit out here. Now my type script, as you can see, it increased more. So that type script, if I do a more on it, more is to display the content of it, a script, and it's the output of all of those ones, in addition to the who and who -r that I did, and as well as the calendar 2022. All of that information is written, and then I exit out. So since I don't need that file, I'm going to remove it. I say type remove type script here, and now the file is not there. So, but if I just want to say, let's just get a capture of information of what kind of files on this directory. Under program files, I have some files, and if I want to just read the content of some of the files, or list the name of the files, anything that I want to do, in this case, I can do. So if I want to capture that information so I can later on send it somewhere to somebody in the team, or somebody by email, I can capture that one. So I could say, let's say all files and all files listing.txt. So I could just write the name of the file as all files underscore list.txt, and then I could say, okay, let's say on this host name, which is mywebuniversity.com, at this current working directory pwd, print working directory, I could say find dot minus type F. Type F meaning that it's all regular file. So if I just want to list all of them, it's there. And then I say also, in addition to being a regular file, I want to say name is star.c++. So if the name is C++, only list me those ones. And in addition to list me, now say run the exact command ls minus L and then show me the output of those ones as well. Give me a long listing of those files that you find out. So similarly, if I want to see the Python script, similarly output, I type in the py. So if I have any Python script, it will show it. And then let's say I want to see the contents of os.py, I could do like this, say, okay, go ahead, anything that is os.py, that only lists that one, it will list it. And if I want to see the content of it with line numbers, I could say cat minus n there, and then it will give me not cat, CAT. So that would display the output of that os.py. Similarly, if I want to see the p1.py, I just change this one to p1. Now it is going to display that file. So if I want to do the same thing with .sh, so any files that is .sh, star.sh, if I just don't want to do cat minus n to find out how many I have, ls minus l, I can get them a list of them, but then I say, yeah, I like to see all of them. The sizes is small, each one of them. I could just display them as well here with cat minus a for all kind of details, whether it's some tabs, some new line characters, everything. Minus E is also give you that option. Minus A is there. So in this case, that somehow my keyboard changes the T to N. I tried to type in T and it was just showing that. So now you can see that all of this information is written, and then I can exit out of this. And then if I say all underscore files underscore list.txt, I can just VI the file, or I could do a cat minus n all underscore files underscore list.txt and type more. Then you can see that you will see the line by line number, each one of those files as we were running the command. So that file is there. You can even send using mailx or send mail. You can say send it to yourself. So a mail address. I don't want to write my mail address here, but you can use the file and then less than sign name, the file name, and then that file will be mailed to you. Okay, so that is about the script. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and also like if you like it. And so also make some nice comments about what kind of videos you like to see, so I can make videos according to your needs, and I want to help as much as possible. Thank you all. Have a nice one. Take care. Bye-bye.